Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this cutting board that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take and paint the entire thing with some white chalk paint and let that fully dry. I ended up doing 2 coats on this. Once that was fully dry, I'm going to take this paper that I got at Hobby Lobby, I believe, and I'm just going to flip that over and I'm going to put it about halfway up the cutting board. So I'm just trying to figure out where I want the design to be, and then I'm just going to trace that out and then cut it. And I just love the way that this paper looks. It's super cute, so bright and fun. Next, I'm going to put some Mod Podge down, and then I'm going to lay that paper right on the bottom half here. And then I'm just going to put that paper on and smooth it out with my hands and then just let that dry. Making sure that it's even on there. Once that's dry, I'm going to set it aside for a minute. I'm going to take these letters that spell out the word eat. I'm going to take my antique wax and I'm going to stain each one of the letters. So I'm just going to use a paintbrush to get it on there faster. Make sure that I get all of them, and I got all of the edges of them too, so make sure you don't forget to do that. Once those were all done, I'm going to let those dry, and I'm going to take this metal ribbon, and this is from Hobby Lobby, but they did have it at one point at Dollar Tree, and I just cut a piece to fit across the top of that paper, and then I'm just going to glue that down. I'm going to set it right above that paper, press it down with my fingers, and then I'm just going to bend over the edges. Once that's on and secure, I'm going to take those letters and I'm going to put those right above that metal ribbon. So I'm just going to kind of use those as the ribbon as a guide to set those letters on. So I'm going to set it just above it and I'm going to go all the way across. Just kind of making sure that they're evenly spaced. And then set that one down and then let those dry. And look how cute this is looking already. I absolutely love it. Next, I made a messy bow and I glued that onto the top. I don't know why it didn't record. And then I'm going to add a button to the center of that bow. And then I added a twine hanger. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute and it was really, really easy to make. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.